Ang multimedia ay isang gamitin sa paggagamit ng iba't ibang uri ng medium at media upang makatid ang impormasyon o mensahe. Ito ay isang paraan ng paghahatid na impormasyon na naglalaman ng mga iba't ibang elemento tulad ng eksaktong larawan. Tungkulin ang video animasyon at interaktiong elemento ng multimedia. Ang texture ay nagbibigayan ng mga salita o pagkakaiba ng larawan at imahe at maaaring itong mag-caption at balita at iba pa. Minsan ito ay mga excuse and application below are example of materials and their use based on their chemical properties. Flammable materials burn when that catch fire. They are primarily used as wood, petroleum, coal, and natural gas are used as fuel for cooking, heating, generating electricity, and power plants, as well as powering various methods of transportation. On the other hand, non-flammable materials are used as protective barriers against flames and high temperature. They are applied on fire doors and used as fire retardants.
Hello, I'm Raiza and I'm studying the science subject because science is my hardest subject, and this is about the respiratory system. The nose and nasal cavity. The nose is the outer part of the respiratory system. It is mostly made up of cartilage, which makes the nose visible and slow. The nose has two openings called nostrils, which lead to the nasal cavity. The pharynx. If you look at the mirror and open your mouth wide, you can see the back part of your mouth arch into a tube. This tube or throat cavity is called the pharynx. It is connected to both the nose and mouth, and as a passageway for both air and food. This is why you can still breathe even if your nose is black due to a cold. Structures called tonsils are found at the opening of the pharynx. They trap and destroy bacteria that enter the body via the nose and mouth. The trachea. The trachea of white paper is a tube at the bottom of the larynx. Bye.
Food chains. These plants and animals form a food chain, a series of living things connected to each other when it comes to getting and eating food. They form a chain that shows a simple representation of the transfer of energy and nutrients from one organism to another in an ecosystem. Again, look at the picture. You will notice that the grass is the grocer or source of food. The grasshopper, which is the primary or first customer, eats grass. The frog, as a secondary customer, eats third customer eats the frog. The picture clearly shows how each organism uses the preceding member of the series as a source. the having eaten the snake is shown as the final or last food customer. After How dies, the
안녕하세요. I'm Christine Imida from Saakdos. And since we have no class in study room, Teacher Jen told us to do a self-study in our house. And this is what I'm going to study. This is our lesson in our school. And it's all about integumentary system. Our teacher told us to study this part because we have test in Monday.